pattern. In this case, it's going to be doing milling, drilling, chamfering, and tapping. If I go to the tool review screen, there's a button here called Tool Change Review. And you can see that inside the pattern block, inside the pattern rectangular, so if I go back to the program, and at the very beginning I insert a pattern, or excuse me, a tool optimize on block, I do not want to maintain the programmed tool change order. That's what these two questions are for the roughing or the finishing. I want them to be optimized, so I don't want to maintain the programmed level. Optimize on until it sees an end. It will tool change or prioritize and optimize all the tool changes between those two. And the reason we can turn it on and off, but if I go to my tool change review screen now, you'll see that tool 1 is inside the pattern, then tool 2 is inside the pattern, and so on. So every tool will do every group or every location in the pattern group. I'll get all of the milling done. It'll go to the next one without doing the tool change. So if I speed this up, it would continue with all the milling, all of the drilling, all of the chamfering, all of the tapping, without doing a bunch of unnecessary tool changes.
Welcome to the new HURCO Solid Model Import option. We will go over some of the features and capabilities now available using Winmax on the Max 5 control. First, select the solid model to use. In this case, it is an STP file available as part of the Winmax package. Tap on the import key here, then follow the path to the desired file. Once selected, just hit open to load it in. A message reminds us that the export option is disabled when importing solid models. Once loaded, we can manipulate the model the same way as the Winmax generated stock you will be familiar with. Using this test cube, we will select the bottom of this pentagonal pocket. To do this, start an ISO view, then check the visible only box and use the single point cursor. Simply click on the floor of the pocket, and the orange highlight indicates that an entity has been selected. Choose the contour direction by clicking on the model. Once satisfied with the features selected and the direction of the contour, just click on the green checkbox and your block will be created. On the review screen, you can see the data block and subblocks that we created. The pocket depth is automatically pulled from the model. Select the tool to be used or create a new one and the block is complete.